them up too high, so high. Planets sparkle, oh my, oh my. Let's take a trip, come on, let's go and meet the planets, row by row. Mercury is closest to the sun, a speedy planet, always on the run. It's small and gray, so very bright, zooming round both day and night. Venus shines with a golden glow. It's hot and bright like a fiery show, covered in clouds so thick and grand. It's the hottest in the planet band. Earth is next, our home so dear, with oceans blue and skies so clear. Green forests, mountains, deserts too. It's the perfect place for me and you. Mars is red like a dusty hue, with valleys deep and skies so blue. Robots roam to see what's there. Maybe someday we'll travel there. Jupiter the giant, oh so wide, with a stormy red spot on its side. It's made of gas with many moons, a king of planets, it truly looms. Saturn's rings are a wondrous sight, circling round with colors bright. Made of ice and rock so fine, a dazzling dance, a cosmic line. Uranus spins on its side, with rings and moons.